Hey guys, my name is Eric Ariza and I'm the planning supervisor here at Diamond C. Today's fundamental is practice blameless problem solving. It says, apply your creativity, spirit, and enthusiasm to develop solutions rather than pointing fingers and dwelling on problems. Identify lessons learned and use them to improve our goal process to prevent the future issues. Get smarter and stronger with every problem and experience. This is something I use on a day-to-day basis. It's kind of easy for you to point fingers at somebody, get it over with, but in all honesty, it's kind of productive. You don't get anything done. You spend hours and hours trying to figure out who did it when you could have used that time wisely and, solve the problem. Honestly, yeah, it's true. We got to find who did it and hold them accountable. But the main thing you should do is try to find the solution first. Get that out of the way. That way we're 10 steps forward. This week I'm challenging all of y'all to break that blame chain. That's what I call it. And before you start the blame chain, just try to solve a problem, figure it out, and it'll always get us that much farther ahead.